Hello, everyone. My name is Larry Poltavtsev. I'm a co-founder of Learnix Center. As you know, we teach non-IT people how to transition to IT. We teach software testing, quality assurance, business analyst courses, uh, SQL courses, AI, machine learning, Python, software testing and automation. We are a state certified school. We're certified by the state of Virginia, and our students are our qualified students are eligible for grants and public assistance, student aid, and so forth. Lately, we started to receive a lot of questions from potential students who are afraid to apply for financial aid and financial assistance because they are afraid that it might hurt their immigration benefits. And that's why today we invited immigration attorney from Philadelphia, Miss Larisa Tenberg. She has a great experience in that area. I understood that she has been named the best attorney in the country, or received some kind of an award. So I'll let her introduce herself. And I wanted to ask her what kind of information she would be able to provide for our students. So Larissa, please.
Hi, Larry. How are you? Thank you so much for inviting me. Yes, I will be happy to explain what's going on right now. I have been practicing for over 20 years now, and in the past couple of years, we've been dealing with a lot of immigration news, fear, whatever you may call it. But for your students, it's a good news because they really should be concerned in terms of getting the grants that your school is providing, because what we're talking about is the new rule that we have at this point that came a couple of days ago and that will be in effect as of October 15th of this year. And it's not a new law. It basically says that if you use public assistance, government assistance for your benefits, like welfare, food stamps, Medicaid, there could be some state programs that provide cash assistance, then it could be a problem for a certain number of people or certain categories of people. And the categories that they're talking about are people who are applying for the green card or might be applying for the green card in the future. So we should first, I guess, talk about who is not covered under this rule. And we're not talking about people who already have green cards. So, people who have green cards have to kind of breathe easier because it's not going to be applicable to them. We're not talking about refugees. We're not talking about asylees. We're not talking about people who have applied for asylum. We're also not talking about people who are in military, for maybe young people who are under 21. So a lot of people are not even covered by this new explanation of the prior law. That's what it basically is. So what does this rule cover in the first place? They say, look, if you're here and you're going to try to apply for asylum, just, you know, we want to make sure, as they said, you stand on your 2 feet. So what Learnix Center is providing, in fact, is to help you stand on your 2 feet and, make sure that you're going to have a good job in the future and pay taxes. So grants from schools are not covered under this rule. So for your students, I believe that they should be safe. Again, it's a very, very new rule, but it's not what you're talking about. It's not on the list of benefits that we should be worried about.
Well, thank you so much for this detailed explanation. So as far as I understood what you said, it's a very good news for potential students from Learnix, because we provide them with an opportunity to get better jobs and pay, well, hopefully more taxes. So basically, the federal government should be pleased by them getting such assistance. And I understand that only very few categories of people this rule is applicable to. For example, you mentioned that asylum seekers or somebody who already received an asylum are excluded from that rule. Also, I understood that people who are under 21 years of age are excluded, and many others, and the one who served in the military. So that sounds like a very good news for us. And would it be possible to provide your contact information to our potential students if they have any concerns, or if they need any kind of immigration help? Would you be able to help them?
Yes, absolutely. I will be happy to answer any questions. And I understand that whenever a new rule or law comes up, it always creates some kind of anxiety in people. So that's why you have to calmly kind of sit down and figure it out. But the whole purpose of this rule, again, is they want to make sure that people have the ability to work in the United States, have the opportunity to work in the United States. And this is exactly what your center is providing. So hopefully it goes along with the goal of this new rule.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, and we appreciate your comments, and we hope to see you on our channel soon. Thank you.
Sounds good.
Thank
You're
you.
very welcome.